Hi, in this video I will show you how I made 136% return by doing swing trading in Adani Power. The amount deployed was 1 lakh and the return I got is 1,36,000. I will explain you the logic and trade setup for this swing trading in Adani Power. Let me swing inside this video. So for swing trading, the stock taken is Adani Power. In a higher time frame, that is in 1 day time frame, the stock was looking like this, and this green trend line shown here acts as a support area. In this point, the price has just taken the support and it has bounced back. Again it has taken the support and bounced back, and it has crossed this support line as well as the trend line, and it has trading in the range bound for some time. Again it has crossed the support line, and in this area it was forming a triangle flag pattern. So this red color line is a resistance line. In this area the stock is consolidating for some time. So let me take you to the 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, the stock was looking like this. So again, this, as I told you, the green line here is acting as a trend line and also as a support line, and this red line is the resistance line, and it is forming a local triangle pattern or kind of a flag pattern. So the stock was having the support in this area, and the stock was having the support in this area, and the stock price has taken the support and has bounced back, and here the price has broken this support line, and again it has retested here. So again in so many areas the stock was taking support in this major trend line. So as a resistance, the price has tested this red color resistance line. The price has rejected from this red line and from the resistance, and it has came down. Again the price has taken a resistance, faced the resistance and rejected and came down. In this area the price has tested the resistance but given a breakout. So I have taken entry in this candle on 10th January 2022 at 11:15 AM. My entry was here. Let me mark out my entry. My entry was in this candle on 10th January 11:15 AM. I took the entry on this candle. So let me put the risk to reward ratio here. So my entry point is here, and then I put the stop loss just below the major trend line, that is the support line, which is green in color. So actually I was looking for 1:4 risk to reward ratio. I was planning to hold it for a long time. The reason for looking for 1:4 trade is, one is I was thinking the stock should again test this a previous high. So that is the one more reason I was looking for. I was expecting the price to test this high. So that is the reason I was looking to hold the stock until it reaches 1:4. Now let us see whether the stock has reached the target of 1:4 risk to reward ratio or not. Just move to the right and just extend this risk to reward ratio. So on 29th March 2022 at 12:15 AM my 1:4 risk to reward ratio was achieved. So what I did is, since it was achieved my 1:4 risk to reward ratio, I exited my half of the quantity I have exited and booked the profit. So remember, your profit is made once you have booked the profit and not by seeing the screen. So for that reason I have booked half of the quantity and trailed my other half of the quantity and trailed my profits. So as I was trailing my profits, the stock started making upper circuits in this area. So once it started making upper circuits, then I saw there was a major Morobozu candle, major Morobozu red candle here, and it was breaking the previous highs. So in this candle, almost in this area, I have closed my other half of the quantities also. So I was fully exited out of this stock. I made 136% return by doing swing trading in Adani Power stock by deploying the amount of 1 lakh, and I can able to generate 1,36,000 profit by doing swing trading in this Adani Power stock. Thank you. I like to read your comments below. What do you think about this video? And you can suggest me what is the stock you want me to analyze for the next swing trade.